telling me the word supposed to be told. Some said, where did we go wrong? The dude stood up, so proud and screamed, hey! Hey! Swagala! Then the prophecy began. Don't whisper in the deep, speak out your mind. Indam Zala,
Au Indam Zala.
This is your story, my story, our story. Angeki pelele na babo. If you destroy roofs, see all the rooms, and think about the story that's unfinished, you won't be throwing your life away. If your prisons throw away the key and your boredom rules the heart of the idol, when you gonna finish what you started? This is your story, my story, our story. Unfinished story. Come to me, and I'm sorry. Where did we go wrong? I hate telling you, this is the unfinished story. The dogs don't bite anymore. Knock on my door, you'll be answered. Positive dreams build monuments, and heroes of today build statues. I've seen your face before, oh no, you've been on my line. What have you been on my line? What have you been on my line? In this game of love, oh, people visit this point at show. We are all in love, but going about it the wrong way. How long can we keep on fooling ourselves? We're trapped in this game of love. Friends in love, spending nights alone. Daybreak come with its problems. I guess your coffee is getting cold. Mind the stairs, there's no light in the kitchen. Don't forget to bring the milk. Hey, on the fool, she loves me. She loves me. Oh, love another, in another life's another. It's a second love, love. He's tanto Habaros. He's tanto asiko. Hey, he's tanto asiko. Habaros. 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 this love. We are trapped. It's up to us to look this up and this up. To us. Listen. Oh, another love. Here's the second love. Your soul's troubled, your heart is aching, your mind is searching for something to believe in. Feed me. Your feet are aching. Your body's so tired. Welcome to my home garden. I wanna feed you. My house of hunger is empty. Feed me. Every mother is worried for her son. Every son is worried and confused. Where are the men? Where have they gone to? You're the child of the soil. You're blessed. Feed me. I ain't gonna welcome you to my womb, girl, if you're not being truthful to yourself. Think again. Think again. Think again. Feed me. Feed me. Feed me. Feed me, Simon. Sejuza wune nyani, nyani yakuda.